Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, I am now just had a live stream where I'm trading binary option live at Pocket Option. If for some reason you did not catch this live stream because I did take it a little outside of the normal time, might be because you're not a subscriber, you have not turned the bell notification, or you have not joined me in Discord because Discord also gives notifications, okay? So make sure you do all these things so you never lose a live stream from me again. I will now later tell you how I did in this live stream, how I'm trading, and another thing, I give you a super count for pocket option, okay? Make sure you take advantage of that. It helps me and it helps you, okay? So I'm doing live stream just like this one every single day. Actually, I do 2 times a day. So if you want to take advantage and make money together with me, you help me a little and you help yourself by using my link. I will explain more. The link you find below the video for Pocket Option is what I call a super account. I give 60% of my own affiliate income back to you, okay? That means every time you're trading, I make a little money, okay? So now you will take advantage of that. You will make more from your own trading. That means every single Monday, what I would have earned, you make 60% of that. So it will be paid directly to your account when I get paid from Pocket Option. So when they pay me every single Monday, they will automatically also pay you, okay? So then you'll get your cash back. It will be cash back, so you get some money in your Pocket Option account, okay? That's something cool that you can take advantage of. Also, if you close down your account and reopen with new, okay, because you can't have 2 accounts with Pocket Options, you need, if you have one from before, make sure you close it down and reopen with my link. Then, if you deposit more than $100, you also get 50% extra directly by using my link. So it's something to take advantage of. But if you just want to keep your Pocket Option account like you have it from before, completely fine. This is just something I offer for my users so you get the most out of your trading, okay? Now, let's take a look at the trades we have done today. So basically we can go to closed. You see here, you see I did take 4 trades, 4 winners. You see I had a bad session here. This session I basically did go in 0, okay? But the session we did here today, we had 4 winners and 4 trades, 4 winners. We can also take a look over here. After, by the way, don't go out yet. I will show you how I trade so you can see how you can prepare for my trading. So you see here, 4 trades, 4 winners, and $351 profit. That is good in my book. Okay, so let's go back to Quick Trader. Okay, so basically the way I'm trading is very simple. What I do, I find specific areas where I find very good to trade. We can look if I have some lines here from before. Here you see one. Blue line, that means I want to test of this line before I activate it. If I activate this one here, then it will be red color, for example. That means if you come a bar up to that line, I'll push down. But when you see blue, that is just to show you what I'm thinking and where I want to have a test before I go in. The green line you see in the bottom here, that means if a bar here come down to this green line, then we always zoom in, and when the bar come into this green line, we just push up. And I keep a color scheme that fits with the button you're supposed to click. So green means green button here, red means red button here. Very simple to follow and easy. And especially if you are in Discord, there we have 0 delay. In YouTube, sometimes you can have 8 seconds delay. That typically would not be a problem, but if, for example, I go here, for example, and let's say I have a line and I see, wow, we can take a trade almost right away. When you are then in Discord, you can do the same. Okay, so you don't have a delay and you can manage to take a trade when I take it. Okay, so that's something. And also in Discord, you can actually just push the button when I push the button, you can just push at the same time. You don't even need to think about the lines. So that's something also. So Discord give you many advantages, so it's easier for you to follow the trades I do. You don't even need to put up the lines, like I said. you just make sure you go into the same like me. There are zero delay, so when I push down, you can just push down also and get the same trade like me. So this is a much easier way for you to follow if you follow me in Discord. But it's not needed, you can easily follow my trade here at YouTube also. So with that, I really hope I see you in my 2 live streams tomorrow. So you can be prepared and trade in both and take advantage of both live streams. First, the first link you find below the video is for this broker. It's a super account, I just explained it for you. And the second link is for another broker I'm using in my first live session tomorrow. So if you want to take advantage, to be a part of both my live stream and make money together with me, work 2 hours a day and take every single trade I am doing, you are then free to do so. I have traded live for 1 year and 7 months, and I only have 14 lost sessions till now, and my winners are higher typically in my losses. Like today, for example, I did actually lose money on my first live stream today. I lost $200, but as you can see now in my second live stream, I made 351. That means I still made around $150 profit today just by doing 2 live sessions. So make sure you join both of them, and this can be your new type of hobby or work going forward if that's what you want to do. Okay, so have an amazing day, and I hope I see you tomorrow.